Ever wonder how a water bottle can keep your drinks hot or cold for hours? The secret lies in one crucial step: the vacuum process. Today, we'll take you behind the scenes at Topnovo Factory to show you how we ensure top-notch insulation performance. At Topnovo, we don't cut corners. Our vacuum process lasts at least 6 hours to guarantee the highest standard of insulation. This is what sets our products apart. Now, let's take a closer look at the after vacuum effect. See this small black spot at the bottom? That's the vacuum brassing material, a key indicator of a successful vacuum process. Here's the trick: before vacuuming, the brassing material remains solid, but after the process, it melts, creating a perfect vacuum seal. This is what ensures your drinks stay at the perfect temperature for hours. Think we're done? Not yet. The most critical step after vacuuming is the insulated performance test. This is where we ensure every bottle meets our strict quality standards. Only after passing this test, then we move to the next step. At Topnovo, quality is never compromised. Want to see more? Follow us for weekly updates from the factory floor.